Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Russ and I drive my 2024 Super Forza Sport. This video is going to be about the Eyesight system. I'm not going to go into crazy details of what it is and what it does, but basically it's designed to make your life easier and to actually save your life, because as you're driving, the system is constantly scanning the road for hidden obstacles, and basically if there's something and you don't apply the brakes yourself, the system is going to engage and apply the brakes for you. And that way, obviously, you don't hit the car in front of you and everybody's happy. But then that brings me to the question of two comments that live in my head rent free. And one of them was in English and the other one was in Russian. Yes, I do speak Russian. But basically, the comments were as following. One guy got rear-ended because he was driving his Super Forester and a piece of tarp flew off a truck and it was in front of his Subaru. Eyesight system thought that this was an obstacle, applied emergency braking. The guy behind the Super Forester did not expect the Super Forester guy to come to a complete stop, and he hit him from behind. Same thing happened, but this time out of Russia, where the guy said that he was driving his Super Forester. It was early morning, and it was just like broken pipe or something. There was a lot of steam coming from the ground, and the car thought that this was an obstacle, applied emergency braking, and he got hit from the back. So these two comments, I have no idea if they're true or not, but they live in my head rent free, because every time I'm driving now and I see something that could be potentially mistaken for an object by my Subaru's eyesight system, I have this little panic where basically I think, oh, please, please don't stop. Don't apply emergency braking now. That would be so bad. Just yesterday, I was driving the highway in the right lane, the slow lane, and we're doing like 50 miles an hour. Car is right behind me, obviously, and basically from the middle lane, like a piece of fender fell off a car and it fell off that car. Then it kind of flew into my lane, and for a second there I'm thinking like, oh crap, if my car now applies emergency braking because of this fender. It was kind of big actually, and for a second it was kind of vertical, so yeah. And I was just like, please, please don't brake. What do I do if you start braking? How do I tell you that it's okay? And maybe nothing would happen, or maybe something would happen, but in any case, I have no idea if these two comments were even true. But here's where you guys come in. Tell me about your experience. Should I worry about the eyesight system accidentally applying emergency braking when it sees something that is clearly not a car? And yeah, I know it's a tricky situation because it's designed to stop when it sees something, but yeah, would definitely suck if if I were to get rear-ended just because it stopped for like no good reason. You know what I mean? So yeah, let me know about your experience driving Subarus with eyesight system. Did you have any tricky, scary situations, or was it all smooth sailing? So yeah, please let me know and put my mind at ease, so to speak. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.